Have you ever wondered how the future of healthcare might look like? Will it be filled with robotic arms and AI doctors? Imagine a world where technology and medicine intertwine, revolutionizing our approach to health and wellness. Well, you might be surprised to know that the future is already here. Robotics and AI are not just for sci-fi movies anymore. They are making significant strides in the healthcare industry, and we have real-life case studies to prove it. Take the case of a hospital in Tokyo, where robots assist in surgeries, making incisions with precision that surpasses even the steadiest of human hands. Or consider a healthcare institution in Paris, where AI algorithms are used to analyze patient data, detecting patterns and symptoms that human doctors might miss. In California, robotic prosthetics are providing a new lease on life for amputees, offering mobility and functionality that closely mimic natural limbs. Meanwhile, in London, AI-powered chatbots are providing round-the-clock patient care, answering queries, and even scheduling appointments. These examples are just the tip of the iceberg. Robotics and AI are set to revolutionize healthcare in ways we can't even imagine. So, what does all this mean for the future of healthcare? Well, imagine a world where patient care is more personalized, human errors are significantly reduced, and healthcare is made more accessible and affordable for all, regardless of location or income. This is the potential impact of robotics and AI in healthcare. We're talking about high-precision surgeries, smart diagnosis systems, and virtual health assistants. The future of healthcare is exciting and full of possibilities thanks to robotics and AI. To sum up, robotics and AI are not just transforming healthcare, they are reinventing it. These technologies are ushering in new possibilities, from precise surgeries to personalized treatments, thus making healthcare more effective and accessible. So, the next time you think about the future of healthcare, think robotics, think AI.